welcome to Zaiden's World. Hi, I'm Zaiden. His mommy.
Hi, I'm Zaiden's mom, Kel. And what are we doing today?
And we're making slime.
Slime. Do you want to show the one that you made yesterday?
Yeah.
Well, he put his toys in there earlier, but here you go. Here.
Too crazy. Yeah. But
We made blue, kind of clear slime. We made like a reddish opaque. Can't really see through this one. And what other color did we make?
orange.
Orange.
Ah! Mama?
Oh. It's sticky.
Yeah. I know.
There you go.
It's sticky, right?
Yep. Honestly, the best thing to do would be to put it in an airtight container rather than a Ziploc bag. It's a lot easier to get out. So, if you want to see how we made the slime, just keep watching.
Okay, so we're all making slime and then we're gonna mix them and then we will make yellow slime.
Okay, we're gonna make yellow slime then. So all you need are a few ingredients. Of course, you need a bowl, you need a spoon. I'd have a towel right there just because it can get kind of messy. All you need is Sta-Flo liquid starch.
Yes.
And glue. I prefer clear glue because, I mean, if you want it to come out kind of clear like our blue slime and our orange slime, you can use regular white glue if you want it to be kind of like opaque, you know. But
Mommy, I will use
and
that.
any color you want. So we have the liquid food coloring or we have the gel. Both work. So what color would you like to make?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay,
Yes.
so we're gonna use the gel. Alright, he wants yellow. Add some glue.
That's the.
And you pretty much add not as much glue as you think. I just kind of eye it.
I want to do the yellow.
Okay, and then you want to use yellow food coloring, you said? Alright. 1 drop. Okay, that way. There you go. Now it's perfect.
Now I see Mommy.
So right now all we have is clear glue and food coloring.
Look how very so. What the?
Okay.
What's the I do that? You see me? That's when I do this when we make a sponge.
Now we're gonna add a little bit of liquid starch. So let me pour a little bit at a time.
Okay.
Alright, so you go ahead and pour that.
Okay.
It's getting sticky. Look at that.
Ooh, good.
Alright, I'm gonna add some more. Alright.
Okay, let's go. Oh. Boom. Boom. Oh.
It's getting there.
Mommy,
Look at that.
my foot.
Yeah, but it's really sticky right now. Almost too sticky right now. There you go.
Alright, and here. Ooh.
See, now it's starting to pull away from the bowl. Just good. We're getting a good sticky slime. But we don't want it to be
sticky slime.
we don't want it to be too sticky. We still want to be able to play with it. There you go. That might be all we need. Let's see.
Or Hey, can we see me? Can we see me? We make it.
A little more. Still too sticky.
Yes,
But
just
the trick is to add a little at a time because you don't want to overdo it. you overdo it, your slime will just fall apart. It won't really be as stretchy as you need it to be.
Mommy, it's getting away.
So let's see now.
It's too sticky. Is it, Mommy?
Yeah, still pretty sticky. And you just add as much as you need. That's fine.
It's too much.
Yeah, that's as much as you need. We're almost there though.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you. Good job. Alright, now I'm going to use my hands.
When is the hand? Mommy, they're sticky.
You don't have to, but that's the part I like to use my hands because I like to be able to pull it.
Me too.
Yep, I'm going to hand it over to you in a little bit.
What is this?
I think we have slime.
A dinosaur season. A dinosaur circle. Just become slimy.
There you go. Perfect slime.
Yeah, that's 11.
There you go. What color do you want to make next?
Green.
Green. Next we'll be making green slime.
Yes.
And if you still think this is too sticky, which I think is perfect because you could just pull it off of your hands like this, see?
Me,
But
Mama.
if you still think it's too sticky, you can always add just a little bit more starch. You can put it on your hands and roll it around in there and you'll be good to go. See?
I'm gonna give you.
Nice slime.
Oh!
Alright.
Oh my
So
gosh.
now we'll make green
Oh
and
my
we'll
gosh.
add to his collection of orange, blue,
Red.
now yellow, and then we'll make green. Now we're going to make green slime.
Yeah!
Right, so do you want to pour? You can go ahead and pour the rest of that.
Squeeze.
And how did we learn to make this slime?
We need to make a slime, but the slime is going to be perfect because the green slime is too, because we're going to play with it.
Well, he's excited. We learned to make this by watching a popular YouTuber called, her name is Wenji. And she makes 5 different types of slime. And this one was by far the easiest, so we went with that one, but it's pretty cool. We're going to try out her other slime recipes
I said, what?
on her later.
Is it, Mama?
Yeah, this is all we have right now. This is what we're working with for the green slime.
Daddy.
Not a whole lot, but it's fine.
But this, that.
We've been making a lot, so. Alright. And then Zaiden wants to make green. Alright, so squeeze a little bit. There we go. So now I'm mixing the green.
Not a whole lot.
No, not a whole lot because we don't have a whole lot of glue.
But we do have one.
You do have some.
Because that one's empty.
Alright. Now it's time
Daddy,
to add our
we're
liquid.
going to get more of this?
And this time, see, I used green gel and it worked perfectly. It worked just as well. So whatever type of food coloring you want, whether it's the drops or the gel, it'll work just fine.
Mommy, I'm a big boy.
Yes, you are.
And Xavier is a big boy.
Pour a little bit. Okay.
It's cool. Mommy's getting.
Whoa, it's getting there.
Mommy, is this sticky?
Not yet. Well, it is sticky. Not the way we want it just yet, though.
But everyone wonders what do we use that? And it's going to wait for the bowl. You hear me? It's going to wait for the bowl. Is it, Mama?
Oh, it's pulling away from the bowl? Yeah, it is. It is. That means it's turning into slime. You're absolutely right.
Oh.
Good job paying attention. All right. Let's see.
That's that. Whoa. Isn't it the slimy sticky?
It is sticky. It's almost too sticky. So let's add a little more into the bowl. And I'm going to use my fingers. You can use your fingers too to help. That might be too much. I'm sorry. Alright, pour this. Okay.
Daddy, watching? Can I see? How is this will make a slime world? When slime's green, all it's slimes.
I just heard slime a bunch of times.
Ooh, hit it. Mama, where's the red container?
Daddy threw the red away. He said it was too sticky.
Oh. White Jordan, mate. That's my color.
We can make more red later. There you go. You have green now. Ew. I sneezed. Slime, a type of slime that we purchased at the store. Alright. This is the one we bought at the store. And it is, it's a lot prettier. But,
And then it's the sticker.
honestly, to be fair, when we first got it, it was a lot better. So,
Mommy,
maybe because we played with it a lot.
Mommy,
So I won't be unfair.
Mommy,
But,
Mommy,
mhm.
it's sticky.
Yeah. This is the one we made yesterday.
Mommy, is it sticky?
Just excuse his toys in there. Play-Doh molds. But we made this one yesterday. See? Versus the one from the store. So, might be cheaper and more fun to just make your own. What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think?
I think it's pretty, but it's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Alright. Tell everybody bye.
Bye. Hey.
Here you go. You have something in your nose. No. No. Put them in the pack and play if need be. No.
All right, Zay, go.
Welcome to Zaiden's World. Today we're playing slime.
No, today we're making slime. Say it again. Welcome to Zay.
Hi,
Welcome to Zaiden's World.
Go.
Welcome to Zaiden's World. Today.
As soon as we go to film, go sit down, big country.